and 5 for GTV. Please like, comment down, subscribe after watching.
So this is the second part of our homework activity, which is factoring binomials. So here we go. 8x plus 24. 8x plus 24. Answer.
8 times, open parenthesis, x plus 3 close parenthesis.
Very good. Next, 15 plus 25y. 15 plus 25y. 15 plus 25y.
Five times, open parenthesis, 3 plus 5y close parenthesis.
Good job. Next, 12s plus 60s squared. Again, 12s plus 60s squared.
They have the same variable.
Yeah.
The answer is 12s times, open parenthesis, 1 plus 5s, then close parenthesis.
Very good. Next, 27ab. 27ab minus 18a squared. Again, 27ab minus 18a squared. Answer. What's your GCF?
9a.
9A. Good job.
The answer is 9a times, open parenthesis, 3b minus 2a, close parenthesis.
Very good. Next, 9h squared g. 9h squared g minus 15h cube. Again, 9h squared g minus 15h cube.
The answer is 3h times, open parenthesis, 3hg minus 5h squared, close parenthesis.
Very good. Kasi both terms has h. Next, 22x squared y. 22x squared y minus 55y squared. Again, 22x squared y minus 55y squared. What is your GCF?
11y, because both numbers have the same
Both
variable.
terms. You cannot say both numbers. Both terms.
Both terms have the same what?
Same y. Same variable.
Same variable. 11y times, open parenthesis, 2x squared minus 5y, close parenthesis.
Very good. Next. Be careful with the sign, ha? 21xy
21xy
plus 14x. 21xy plus 14x.
The answer is 7x times, open parenthesis, 3y plus 2, close parenthesis.
Very good. Next, let's have negative 16x squared plus 20. Let's have negative. Be careful with the sign. Negative 16x squared plus 20.
Four times, open parenthesis, negative 4x squared plus 5, close parenthesis.
Very good. Okay? Next. Because 4 times negative 4x squared will give you negative 16x squared. Multiplying positive and negative numbers will give you negative answer. Next, negative 4n cubed minus n. Negative 4n cubed minus n.
Both terms have the same variable, so the GCF is n. N times, open parenthesis, negative 4n squared minus 1, close parenthesis.
Okay, that's one of the choice na answer. So you can have, if your GCF or the common factor is positive n, the first choice of your answer will be of times n times open parenthesis negative. So if you use positive n as a GCF, your next terms inside the parenthesis will be negative. Positive times negative. Okay, you'll use negative 4n squared minus n. The other way around, if you use the GCF as negative n, will give you negative n times open parenthesis. Since you use the negative n, now you change the sign of the first term. It will be positive n squared plus 1 naman. Okay, if you use the positive as GCF, the terms inside the parenthesis will be negative. But if you use the negative sign, since they're both having the negative sign, the two terms have negative sign, you can use negative sign also in the as GCF. But then you have to change the terms inside the parenthesis na kapag yung GCF mo is negative. Okay? Because negative times positive, negative. Positive times negative, negative. Okay? So, pwede yun. But, for me, I suggest that you just have to use positive GCF always. Para you don't have to change the sign inside the parenthesis. Okay? In factoring binomials. Next. 5x minus 10x cubed. 5x minus 10x cubed. Gutom na yan.
The answer is 5x times, open parenthesis, 1 minus 2x squared, close parenthesis.
Why is there another parenthesis in 1? You can just have 1 minus. So your answer, your final answer will be what?
5x times, open parenthesis, 1 minus 2x squared, and then close parenthesis.
Very good. So that's it for factoring binomials. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. This is just our home activity again. And please don't forget to like and subscribe on our main channel and also to our second channel, Familia Garcia Mix. Okay, bye! Our next video will be rule of exponents. So for today's video, we'll focus on algebra. Thank you.